Ever wondered how to assemble a bassoon? Well, ponder no more, because today we are diving headfirst into the intriguing world of this unique woodwind instrument. Start with the boot joint. That's your bassoon's largest piece. Hold it upright with the small metal hole or receiver at the top. You'll notice two holes on the front. The smaller one is for the wing joint and the larger one for the long joint. Next, pick up the wing joint. This part has a curved shape and one end that's slightly larger than the other. Insert the smaller end into the smaller hole on the boot joint. Rotate it gently until it feels secure. Now, it's time for the long joint. This one has a metal ring at one end. Insert the end without the ring into the larger hole on the boot joint. Again, a gentle rotation should do the trick. Then attach the bell. Slide it onto the top of the long joint until it fits snugly. You'll know it's in the right place when the curve of the bell aligns with the curve of the boot joint. The bocal comes next. This slender metallic piece fits into the hole at the top of the wing joint. Slide it in carefully. Remember, this part is delicate. Finally, attach the reed. The reed is the part you'll be blowing into, so handle it with care. It fits onto the narrower end of the bocal. And voila, you've assembled a bassoon. It may seem like a complicated process, but once you understand the steps, it becomes second nature. To summarize, start with the boot joint and insert the wing joint, followed by the long joint. Then, attach the bell, slide the bocal into place, and finally attach the reed. Remember to handle each piece with care, especially the reed and bocal. Not only are these parts delicate, but they also play crucial roles in the sound your bassoon produces. So, go ahead and give it a try. With a bit of practice, you'll be assembling your bassoon with ease and confidence, ready to fill the air with the rich, deep tones this wonderful instrument is known for.